Number 3. Pouch-based reproduction. Explore the fascinating aspect of pouch-based reproduction, a distinctive marsupial trait. Female kangaroos carry and nurture their undeveloped young in pouches, providing them a safe haven until they are mature enough to survive independently. Number 4. Adaptability to arid environments. Kangaroos exhibit adaptability to diverse environments, from grassy plains to arid deserts. Explore how their physiological and behavioral adaptations enable them to thrive in Australia's challenging landscapes. Number 5. Herbivorous diets.